What if imagination wasn't the limit, but the engine of creation? An engine that crafts stories that flicker between the real and the surreal. From sparks of concept to full-blown films, Rändom combines motion design, artificial intelligence, and handcrafted visual effects, enabling the creation of visual worlds and stories that blend live action with CGI in new ways. In the end, it's not about the tools, it's about the ideas and stories that refuse to stay hidden. We need to get them out there. This is where experiments become experiences. This is Rändom.